A Freecash app that freezes on startup should be treated as an app loading problem first, not as a problem with your rewards or account balance. By the end, you'll know how to check the app, your connection, your device, and your account without immediately removing an active Freecash offer. Start by completely closing Freecash. Don't leave it running in the background. Open your device's recent apps, remove Freecash, and launch it again. If it freezes on the same screen, restart your device. This clears temporary processes that can prevent an app from loading correctly. Next, check your internet connection. Open another website or app that requires an internet connection. If that also struggles to load, fix the connection before troubleshooting Freecash. If your internet works normally, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if both are available. Then launch Freecash again. On Android, check Freecash's app settings and look for the option to clear its cache. Clearing cache data can sometimes resolve loading problems caused by temporary files. Avoid clearing app data unless you understand what that will remove. If you're using iPhone, close the app and restart the device first. If the problem continues, check whether an update for Freecash is available through the App Store. For Android, check the Google Play Store for a Freecash update. An outdated app can behave differently after changes to the service. Also check your device's available storage. If your phone is extremely low on storage, apps can experience performance and loading problems. Free up space if necessary, and test Freecash again. If Freecash opens normally after these steps, check your account and active offers before starting anything new. Make sure your previous activity and balance are still visible. Don't immediately uninstall Freecash if you're currently completing a game or offer. Removing and reinstalling an active offer can create additional tracking problems, so troubleshoot the startup issue first. If the app still freezes, try accessing Freecash through its supported website in a browser. If the website works while the app doesn't, that points toward an app-specific problem rather than a complete account access problem. Take a screenshot or screen recording showing exactly where the app freezes. Include any error message if one appears. If none of these steps work, contact Freecash support and explain that the mobile app freezes during startup. Tell them your device type, whether the website works, and what happens immediately after opening the app. The key checks are simple: restart Freecash, test your connection, restart the device, check for updates, and avoid reinstalling an active offer unnecessarily. Your next step is to completely close Freecash, restart your device, and launch the app again before changing anything else. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, app troubleshooting, and offer guides.